So we're going to take a look at how to do your 8-angle pose. So from seated, you're going to bring one knee up and into the chest. And just take a moment to draw that knee in. And also feel the lower back drawing in and sitting up nice and tall. And then bring that foot slightly out to the side so the knee is wider than your hip. The other heel is just in towards the side of your body, to the opposite hip. You're going to bring the knee up and over the shoulder. And you really want to squeeze the elbow into the upper leg, as that's going to be the connection that helps you to lift up. The other hand comes to the side. And then the front leg, you hook the toes under. Good. So that might be enough, you might stay there. If you hold there, a really good thing to practice is pressing the heels out and squeezing the upper arm with the upper thighs. So just seeing if you can do that whilst we're not quite lifted off the ground. And then when you're ready, you're going to think shoulders are pushing forward and up. Elbows are squeezing in as you lift the hips, press the heels away, and the hips lift back behind you. You can look over at your toes and try and find some balance there. So you're really thinking about elbows squeezing in so they're more in line with the shoulders, pushing the ground away with the fingertips, having that little draw back with the fingertips to help you stay balanced. And then the shoulders aren't just coming forward, they're lifting away from the ground as well. So we give it a go one more time. Bring that knee in. Again, think lower back drawing in, nice and tall in the body. Bring the upper leg over the shoulder. Maybe even hold the outside of the foot for a moment. Just get comfy with that knee being up high. If you can't do this position, then maybe you work for a while on your general yoga practice and you work up to this position. But when you feel that that can stay on the upper arm, you can then bring the other foot in. And again, it's shoulders going forward, hips moving back, legs extending out to the side, and then looking towards the feet. Good, I hope you enjoyed that and good luck with your 8-angle pose.